Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. It is December 25th, 2024, and what a beautiful day. It's a balmy 27 degrees out right now up in New Hampshire. And just wanted to tell everyone thanks for watching all year. I can't believe I have over 250 subscribers. I don't know where that came from, but thank you all. I hope you have a blessed Christmas. And as I said in the comments, or not the comments, the little whatever they call that, renew your mind, cleanse your heart, and share this wonderful day with everyone. And one of my Christmas presents was, I've had these 3 sliding glass doors for over a year, and finally last week they were put in, and what a difference it has made. It's really nice, and really made the cabin even more cozy, because apparently the guy who had the other ones that were like 20 plus years didn't even insulate them. So it's been a big improvement. I thought it was the limitations of the wood-burning stove not covering the area, but apparently that was wrong. It was because there was no insulation. And you can see the snow that we got yesterday, about maybe 4 inches or so. And then next week or the week after, we'll put in, it's already downstairs, that sliding glass door, which one of the panels, the gas or the air between the panel leaked, and that needed to be replaced. And there's some guys doing some shooting. It'll make downstairs a lot warmer. It's like 35 down there. So it's a beautiful day. Really is. And I just figured I'd come on and say hello and thank everyone. And wish you a Merry Christmas. And it's funny because I've had to, because it's been so cold, put on Jake's boots so his feet don't get cold. And it's really funny when he first started to wear them, how he'd lift his paws up in the air. But I gotta fill up these bird feeders for the birds. I have some seed down in that bird feeder, but you can see the snow is all on it. So quiet. So peaceful. Okay, well, that'll do it. Have a Merry Christmas. God bless everyone. Till next time.